Ever wonder why so many first-time inventors burn through their budget on prototypes that don't really move the product forward? And here's the uncomfortable truth. The cheapest prototype usually isn't the most cost-effective path to a real launch. The goal isn't the lowest price per part. It's the most learning you can get for every dollar you spend. If you've ever felt pulled toward the fastest, cheapest option, you're definitely not alone. The big pitfall is building prototypes that don't answer your real questions, because then you pay twice. You pay in rework, you pay in delays, and you pay in missed windows and momentum. I see this all the time. People fund a single-shot prototype. They skip key reviews, or they assume faster automatically means cheaper, and it almost always costs more later. The smarter move is simple. Match the prototype method to the exact question you need answered at that stage. Early on, CNC machining is usually the go-to. It's great for checking geometry, fit, and basic function. Then when you need to see how the part behaves in the real production material, that's where soft tooling makes sense. It's a way to learn a lot before you commit serious money to full production tooling. And once you're ready for final validation, samples from production injection molding are what confirm the whole system works before you hit go. But here's where a lot of people miss the mark. They try to save a few bucks by skipping a DFM review, and that move almost always backfires. Catching an issue before tooling is cut is dramatically cheaper than fixing it after. Also, don't plan like you only need one prototype. Most first-time inventors need at least 3 rounds, sometimes more, and budgets that ignore that reality get stretched thin fast. At Rabbit Product Design, we've helped inventors and entrepreneurs launch over 2,000 products, and we do it by optimizing for learning per dollar, not just chasing the lowest unit cost. With 9 years of hands-on work, plus senior engineers with decades in the field, we can usually tell you which prototype method will answer your specific validation question. That's real budget efficiency, the right prototype at the right stage, with DFM reviews baked in along the way, so you don't get hit with expensive surprises later. So if you're building your first physical product, remember this. Budget-conscious prototyping isn't about cheap shortcuts. It's about disciplined testing and smart decisions from research all the way to launch. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't gamble the budget on the cheapest parts. I'd put that money into prototypes that give real answers and prevent bigger headaches down the road. Click the link below to learn more. And if you want more practical product development advice like this, subscribe and stick around.